Nosebleed No More, isang proyekto para sa English communication enhancement ng mga Pinoy at Pinay. Lesson 2, Verb Tenses. Pag-uusapan natin ang past, present, future at ang aspects na simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Ito ang graph kung saan makikita ang past, present, future. So pag-uusapan natin ang present simple tense, past simple tense, future simple tense, present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense, at perfect tense and perfect continuous tenses na may past, present, at future. Ang total nito ay 12 tenses. So para simulan to, pag-usapan natin ng verb. Kinlassify ko ng tatlo. Helping verb, action, and non-action verb. So sa helping verb, am, is, are, ang past tense na was and were, has at have, at syempre ang had. Sa action verb, eat, which is ginagawa. Non-action, sleep, na sa totoo lang, wala ka namang ginagawa. So action verbs, play, catch, study, jump, run, write. At sa non-action verb, think, watch, dream, wait, listen, float. Na actually, wala kang ginagawa. Simulan natin sa helping verb. Ang present simple tense na ibig sabihin ngayon nangyayari, ang gagamitin natin ay am, is, at are. Ang past simple tense na ibig sabihin ay tapos na, we're gonna use was, at, were. For future simple tense, wala tayong gagamitin, just for helping verb. Sunod naman ay ang action verb. For simple present tense, gagamitin natin ang action verbs na eat, play, at catch. For the simple past tense, eat. Dahil ang eat ay isang irregular verb, play, dinagdagan natin ng ed, and caught, irregular verb ulit, kaya nag-change ng form. For future simple tense, we use will plus verb, so will eat, will play, and will catch. Tignan ang linya, tapos na, ngayon, at mangyayari pa lamang. Next, non-action verb. Ang simple present tense na gagamitin natin ay sleep, think, and watch. Those are the non-action verbs. And for the past simple tense, slept, thought, and watched. For future simple tense, will sleep, will think, will watch. Halos kapareho lang ng pag sa action verb. Ang next aspect pag-usapan natin ay continuous tenses na nilagyan lagi ng ing ang verb sa hulihan. For example, present continuous tense, kailangan natin gamitin ang helping verb na am, is, o are, tapos yung verb lalagyan ng ing. Ibig sabihin nito, ginagawa pa din. Past continuous tense, helping verb na was at were. Tapos yung verb lalagyan ng ing sa huli, ibig sabihin, ginagawa kanina. Tuloy-tuloy na paggawa, kaya continuous verb. Future continuous tense, kailangan lagyan ng will be plus verb plus ing, o kaya going to plus the verb. Ginagawa hanggang maya. So ito ang example natin. Sleeping, thinking, watching. So gagamitin natin ganitong klase ng form ng verb all throughout ng mga tenses under continuous tense. Ang pinagkakaiba lang nila ay yung helping verbs. Am sleeping, is sleeping, are watching. Ito ay kapag present continuous tense, was sleeping, was or were thinking, were watching para sa past continuous tense. At sa future continuous tense, gagamitin natin ng will be. Will be sleeping, will be thinking, will be watching, o kaya going to. So ngayon, napag-uusapan na natin ay 6 na tenses. Let's move on to past participles. So tandaan na ang verb ay may regular at merong irregular verb. So nakaklasify ito. For example, ang eat ay isang irregular verb, samantalang play, catch, study, at jump ay mga regular verb. Ang run at write, irregular verb din. So, sa past participles, ang irregular verb, for example, present tense is eat, ang past nun ay ate. Ang past participle nun ay eaten, run, ran, run, write, wrote, at written. Please take note of these. Ito pa ang ibang example. Drink, drank, drunk, cut, 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 walang pinagbago. Begin, began, begun, forget, forgot, and forgotten. Please take note, past participle will be used for your perfect tenses. So ito na nga yung perfect tenses. Para sa present perfect tense, gagamit tayo ng helping verb na has o have. Dadagdagan natin to ng past tense o past participle ng verb. For past perfect tense, gagamit tayo ng helping verb na had o kaya have had plus past tense o past participle ng verb. And for future perfect, gagamit tayo ng will have plus yung past tense o past participle ng verb. So tandaan, tapos na gawin, ginawa kanina, ginawa sana, ngunit hindi naman nangyari. So please take note of the examples. So let's see the example. Present perfect tense, has eaten, have run, have written. Ang past perfect, had eaten, had run, at had written. So future perfect, will have eaten, will have run, will have written. Next is perfect continuous tense. So meron tayong present, past, future pa din. Dito gagamitin natin yung has been o have been. Kailangan natin ng been. Sa past perfect continuous, kailangan natin ng had been plus yung verb plus ing pa rin dahil continuous tense nga. For future perfect continuous, gagamit tayo ng will have been, verb plus ing. An example, has been sleeping, gagawing had been sleeping para sa past, and will have been sleeping para sa future perfect continuous tense. I-pause ang video na ito kung kailangan mo mas iklaro at linawin. So tandaan, ang English grammar is ang concept na iniisip natin ay kailangan maintindihan ng buo bago tayo gumaling sa paggamit nito. Ngunit kailangan nating tandaan, ang language ay patuloy na lumalawak because it enables humans to learn and use this system for complex communication. Sa simpleng salita, napaka-complex ng language. Para mas maintindihan ay pag-isipan mo ano ba ang Filipino grammar. Marami ng pag-aaral ang nagawa at siguradong patuloy na ginagawa para mapahusay pa ang pagtuturo ng English language. Ito ay dahil sa importanteng language ito para nakakarami. So ang mga references, thesaurus, dictionary, business books, English for everyday use, practical English at napakadaming reading books. Pero madami na din namang gumaling taga gumamit ng language na ito. Inifortan nila kaya yun din lang ang kailangan mong gawin. So ready ka na ba? Ma-share ko lang, ang goal ng videos na ito ay makamit ang confidence ng mga viewers to use the English language to communicate. Sa pamamagitan ng inyong mga comments at suggestions, mas mapapaganda pa po ang content ng YouTube channel na ito. Hinihingi ko po ang inyong kooperasyon. Kaya natin to! Salamat po sa inyong lahat at sana'y matulong ang mga lessons na ito. Nagustuhan niyo ang video na ito? If you do, please subscribe now. And check us on Facebook and Twitter. Comment, like, and share.